Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, welcome to English interview today. Are you ready to have interview?
Yes,
Okay. How are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, so there are some questions here that you have to answer clearly. Yeah. So directly we go to the first question. Please tell me about yourself briefly.
Okay, so first is my name. My name is Muhammad Munanda Faza, and you can call me Haza. Uh, I was 14 years old, and in March 29, I will be 14 years old. I will be 15. I'm sorry. I will be 15 years old. I live in Depok, in uh,
Margonda.
yes, in Margonda, and then
Yes.
uh, and then Uh, okay, and then my school is in IDN boarding school, and my dormitory is 3.1. Like I read in 3.9 like 2 years maybe, or no, 1 year 6 months, and then my hobbies are sport like running, and learning new and cycling, and then I like to swimming, but if swimming I still need to learn for other style like other. Okay.
Okay, that's great introduction. Okay, Azza. So please tell me about your artist skill before and after coming to Identity.
Okay, so my before my IT skill is very low, because in my last elementary school I just learned how to use like Excel and Word and PowerPoint, and then like my exam in my last elementary school is like typing rest, sir.
Typing rest.
Yes, the fastest will be
Oh, like
win.
oh yes, I know.
Yes, it was the exam in IT. But after I join IDN, I feel more better. Like I have many IT skill after I join IDN, because of when I joining IDN, IDN is like focus like in IT, like right, like I learn about designing, I learn about coding, and then I learn about anything. I like to use IT. Why I choose IT? Because of I see for uh, at the future potential, because of IT will take all business. Like now there is an AI, like almost of worker can be changed by AI, and then that's why I would I must learn IT.
Okay, that's a great. So what about the English and Dinia?
My English and Dinia also increase. Before, my akidah is not right, like, but before I join IDN, I not believe too, like we must not using we must not using our heart. We don't use saying like now I do before I from outside of IDN, I already not believe that, but my family still believe. And then for English, like it's like the same, like I was at elementary school.
Okay, Azza. So I'm going to ask again about the IT's lesson. Yeah. So here you have a lot of the projects, right? So can you mention like from seventh grade, what did you learn, eighth grade, and also ninth grade?
For in seventh grade, I learned IT, Dinia, and English too. Same And then for IT, I learn about how to make a website, how to customize your website, and how to make a game like making a catching fruit, and then zombie shooter, and then other alien space shooter, and then like that. And in seventh grade too, I was learning a build box too with Mr. Fitra. But I think for build box, I don't have any skill in build box because of in build box is very hard. But in eighth grade, we mostly learn about design like making a mock-up and then making a pen tool, yeah, like that, making UI. And then I like to make UI because of I want the UI more better. And then
Robotic IoT.
for robotic and IoT, I like to because of if making robotic is we can customize our robot like how fast is the robot can respond or what. And in ninth grade now we learn about Codular. Codular is like Scratch, but we making an app like we drag and drop anything, but only the code like that. But if we use Flutter and then Visual Studio Code, is more better because we can customize anything with our mind. And then
Okay, so if I'm asking you which one is easier between Codular and Flutter?
I will pick Codular is easier because of we just drag and drop, and Flutter we need to make a code and type a code.
Which one is good for developing the application?
For me, if you want to develop a big company application or like M-banking, I think you need to use Flutter because of Flutter can be more better UI, and yeah. And then for Codular, that can help you to making UI too, like or you have like family that need an application. If you want to make it easily, you can make in Codular.
Okay, that's great answer. And then we go to the next questions. It's about the experience as a. So, do you ever become the trainer?
Yes, I have.
Okay, can you tell me about it?
Okay, so firstly, when I be a trainer in 8th grade semester 1, I was teaching in Rahmaniyah School, that was Nazrul School, and I teach with Faisal, Rakdan, and Nazrul, and then I teach about HTML and designing using Figma. And then overall, I feel not good because of I was teaching HTML to a kid that was not ready for learning that. But I think we can start to tell them about HTML and design in Figma. So later when they have in SMP or other, they already know what is HTML and how to use HTML. And then the next I teach in Rafusco. In Rafusco, I teach about designing making game scratch about zombie shooter. And then yeah, I feel good because of in their SMP there used to be learn scratch too.
Okay. And then talking about the future as a. So after graduating from Ishudo High School, where do you want to continue and why?
So I will continue for my vocational high school in SMK Raden Umar Said in Kudus because of that was the only thing that I think I must pick because of I want to be a good designer, but my really dream is being a TKG. And then before I was want to pick in IDN and I don't have a recommendation for pick in here. And then for my college, I think I will pick in UI uh, if in Indonesia because of my mother, my mother college in there too. And then if I pick in outside, I want to pick the top universities like MIT, yeah. And then I want to work as a freelancer, and then yeah, like freelancer is like we can do anything everywhere, anything everywhere, and when
So like do the job remotely.
yes. And then my main job is being a cybersecurity.
Cybersecurity. Oh, that's good. Okay, and then because you have dream, yeah, to be what's that job cybersecurity, what should you do to achieve your future?
I think I need to learn more about TKG and cybersecurity because that can be connect because of uh okay, so because of like network and cybersecurity can be connect because of using server, and we need to connect to
Client.
yeah, to client, and then we will meet other people. Okay.
Okay, the last question, Ahza, before we close this interview. Any word for IDN?
Huh?
Give the words or sentences to IDN.
I think IDN is good, but there is too many branch, and then so like in the center of IDN, like the facilities is not good enough, like the toilet sometimes the door broken. I know that like it was because of the student maybe to use the toilet too rude, and then yeah, but the food, I don't know why now the food we only can take a little bit of food, I don't know why. And then for the weather is for now is is very hot in here, and sometimes it could be rain.
Brilliant. Enough.
Enough.
Okay, thank you, Ahza. It's nice to talk with you, to have interview today. So before we close, any question?
No.
No. Okay. So let's close. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.